No man is an island. The words of John Donne could not be better used than to illustrate a situation which, after September the 23rd, 2008, may mean that an innocent man has been put to death because you did nothing to prevent it. This man, Troy Davis, is scheduled to be executed on September the 23rd for a murder he may not have committed. I cannot tell you whether Troy Davis is innocent or not, but some witnesses have recanted or expressed a wish to change the testimony they gave, which led to Troy Davis's conviction for murder in 1991. Although the Georgia Board of Pardon and Paroles denied Troy Davis a new hearing, misgivings must always remain, because 3 members of that board expressed their doubts about Troy Davis's guilt. In her dissenting opinion, Georgia's Chief Justice Leah Ward Sears wrote, "If recantation testimony, either alone or supported by other evidence, shows convincingly that prior trial testimony was false, it simply defies all logic and morality to hold that it must be disregarded categorically." The motto of Georgia's Supreme Court is Fiat Justitia Ruet Caelum. Let justice be done, though the heavens fall. So what has happened to beyond a reasonable doubt? Surely 3 dissenting opinions amount to a reasonable doubt, don't they? But after September the 23rd, any question of reasonable doubt could well be academic, because Troy Davis may be dead, and nothing will bring him back. So before the moment of Troy Davis's impending execution, this man may wish to ponder the conclusion of John Donne's moving poem, which begins, "No man is an island," and therefore never send to know for whom the bell tolls. It tolls for thee. Please add your name to Amnesty International USA's petition to stay the execution of Troy Davis, which is scheduled for September the 23rd, 2008. Do it now in the interests of your own humanity.